Welcome back to another video. We are now on our way to Chiang Mai, but we are stopping here at this noodle place to eat lunch. We have about 2 hours before we get to Chiang Mai. This noodle place is pretty busy. My noodle is here. This is beef noodles. We got 2 bowls special, so that means they add more meat. I usually don't put anything on mine except like lettuce. Like I don't add any more seasonings. I like to put bean sprout. Not too much. Let's try this, see if it's good. It's pretty good. Beef is pretty tender. How's your noodle?
It's okay.
It's okay? But if it's okay, why is it empty?
Oh, I was hungry. They gave too little. Like one bite.
The noodle was good. My bowl's empty too. I usually don't finish my noodles, but this one's pretty good. Okay, on our way to our next destination, which is Chiang Mai. Driving Nice green scenery. Going up the mountain here. Beautiful drive through their national park, like national forest. Beautiful drive. The rainforest here. I was told they have big snakes, so I won't be going in there. They have like anaconda snake. Chiang Mai now. So smoky here. And it's like 41 degrees Celsius. So smoky, it looks overcast, looks like it could rain. As soon as I said that, the window has raindrops. Yeah, see, sprinkling now. Chiang Mai is very beautiful. This is our fourth time here. Second time driving here.
Central Festival. Central Festival. Nobody.
There's not a lot of cars today. I think people are still at work because it's only 2 p.m. Yeah, this side of the street is jam-packed. There's an airplane restaurant there.
United 8330.
We have about 30 minutes before we get to Mae Hong Son. But that's neat, an airplane restaurant. There's some markets here. This is Taeng. Not yet to Mae Hong Son. We have about 20 minutes. I don't see no hotels around here.
Sleep in the car. That's what they call a car trip. Not road trip, car trip.
What's that? Mataman Elephant Camp? Guess we're stopping by here first. Taeng. rafting place.
Hopefully they're open.
Yeah, it's pretty. The trees are yellow.
This is
This is the elephant place. This is Taeng. This little river here, that's where they go do the river tubing and those little bamboo platform over here down the river. We got here a little bit late, so we're not sure if they will let us do it, but we went to ask if we could. It's still very hot out here, like 105 degrees Fahrenheit. We are gonna go in one of those bamboo boats. The water is very shallow, so I guess we don't need to worry about drowning. Pretty. All right, we're getting on. We're gonna sit here.
Hôm này anh mình sửa này.
There. Sitting down.
Mà tám kia là cứ sửa này.
Yep, I need the umbrella. It's super hot. Yes, umbrella. Super hot.
Tui.
Hi there! Guess where I'm at? I'm at May what?
Taeng.
Taeng. We're doing bamboo rafting today.
Okay.
Look at the beautiful view, you guys. The water is very shallow, so it's very nice and cool for this hot weather. Very romantic also. You come with your significant other. There's people also kayaking. Too hot to kayak, you know, doing all the work. There's a little breeze coming through and it's cool. Got the umbrella going because it's super hot. Super hot, super hot. There's some bungalows too here if you guys want to stay here. Elephant camp. There's some elephants up there. Very muddy over there. Look at the water, so shallow. Gonna put my leg in the water to cool it down. I smell elephant's turd. Beautiful mountain view. I think this trip or this bamboo ride is about like an hour long. Isn't the background nice? Look at the view of the mountains. Alright, we are coming to an end of our bamboo rafting. There's a red truck down there waiting to pick us up. Some nice view. Probably best time to do it is earlier, like early in the morning, so it's not too hot. There's people out fishing too with net. Alright, I'm going to end my video here. Thank you for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and share my video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, I do not like this ride back to the car. We are riding on it. Back of the truck, and it's very, very bumpy. Very, very bumpy.